You ever wonder why people say the Air Jordan 1 Low is dead? Well, what I have in this box right here will tell a different story. What's up, worship boy Iconic? Back again with another video, man. And before we get too deep into the video, I want y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that notification bell so you can stay in tune with the reviews, the on feast, the sneaker vlog, the sneaker news, and everything else that comes with the channel. I also want y'all to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Iconic Boykins. That's EYECONIC Boykins, BOYKINS, man. Y'all go follow me on all those platforms. Today we have a dope shoe in directly from the sneakers app. Your boy hit for retail. Y'all saw the thumbnail. Not gonna waste some more time, y'all. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So we have it here directly from Nike. I'm feeling lucky. Your boy hit on the Nigels, and now your boy hit on this crazy collab. Put this to the side, and boom, boom. Y'all see it here, man. Cream and pink box all the way around. You got the cream box with the pink Nike logo all the way around it. See the bottom. You see the bottom right here. You got your red hits as well. Such a dope opportunity to hit these joints for retail, man. And box label reads Air Jordan 1 Low OGSP. Colorway is Sail, Tropical, Pink Shy, Pink, Viol, Rose, and Tropical. This is the pair that I personally wanted to have on feet. Hopefully y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can see that box label. This is the one that I originally wanted for retail. If I didn't hit for retail, I was not buying this shoe because I have other OG shoes that's in a similar, I guess similar look you want to call it. I have other Air Jordan 1 Lows that I would prefer to have before I spend $500 on a shoe, especially an Air Jordan 1 Low. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and pull these joints out, man. I am very ecstatic, very, very ecstatic for this shoe. Still can't believe I hit for retail, y'all. And out, we have it here, the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott in the tropical pink colorway. I'm kind of confused because I also hit on Travis's website. It said I hit for the Sail pair. Then I got an email saying I hit for the tropical pink pair. So we still waiting for that other pair to come in. Hopefully it is the Sail pair. You know what I mean? Hey, if they want to bless me with the Sail pair and the pink pair, I'm down for that too, man. But they only charged me for one. So I don't know. Hopefully it's the Sail pair. That way I don't have the same exact shoe. But if not, I guess I just got to double up for now. But yeah, man, y'all see it. Dope shoe, man. Dope shoe. Definitely giving off Valentine's Day vibes. I don't know why this shoe didn't drop on Valentine's Day or around Valentine's Day. With so much dropping, I can only imagine Nike was like, you know what, we just gonna hold off and put it to the side, right? But either way, it's all good. It's not the end of the world for me. A person like me isn't too pressed on this type of stuff anymore as much as I used to be. I've literally had a lot of Travis Scott Air Jordans, Travis Scott shoes in general. So never really tripping, man. This is just one of the ones I got to spin the block for retail. If I had to put all of the Air Jordan 1 Low Travises in order, I would probably go Mocha Brown, OG Mocha, Fragment, Olive, Tropical Pink, Phantom, Canary, and Sail Pink. Might sound crazy to y'all, but that's my order. That's my list. I'm sticking by it. But yeah, man, dope shoe. This is how it's looking, man. You got that big Wings logo on the back. Reverse swoosh right here. And it looks red. It looks really red on like videos and stuff, but it definitely is like almost a fruit punch red. Tropical pink, tropical punch. I don't know. Definitely not like a bright, vibrant red. Like to me, this red on the back and this red on the swoosh is totally different. You have your swoosh right here with your you have your swoosh right here with your Cactus Jack branding on the inside of the sneaker. Now for me, I'm looking at the shoe. I don't know if they meant to do this, man, but some of my, I guess my suede looks kind of cracked. It's kind of weird. I can't really explain that. I wish I could show y'all better, but it's like kind of cracked on this right here. Let me see if I can turn this light down a little bit. We'll turn the light down a little bit, but it feels like my actual leather is cracked a little bit, or kind of already. I don't know. Maybe that's just how they wearing it. I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but it definitely feels like, or looks like, on this pair on this side, it's already like cracking, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Push this up. But yeah, man, nonetheless, bro, super dope shoe. Let's look at the tongue, man. Pink on the tongue. You got your Nike Air right here in red. You got your Cactus Jack right here on the side. It's crazy, man. When I first did my first review on the Mocha pair, I still regret getting rid of that pair, y'all. I wish I had that pair today. But they got rained on so bad, dog, that I was just sad about it. And that was when eBay had just opened up their like buying, selling layout. And I got $1,000 out of them. Worn, rained on, beat up. Somebody still paid me $1,000. Crazy. Wish I can get the OG pair for a reasonable price. I would probably trade this up to get the original one, but it is what it is. It's neither here nor there now, but it's because they're gone. But yeah, I did have that pair, bro, and it was insane, man. But yeah, bro, dope shoe. I don't want to really talk about the review itself, man, because I feel like you've seen a lot of videos. You got the cream laces, no crazy inserts for the price. Insole definitely has a Valentine-esque inside for the insole, and this is how it looks underneath. Don't know if anybody can see that, but yeah, that's how it looks underneath, man. You got your blue underneath the insole, but yeah, this shoe has already been faked, so be careful. Be careful. The Travis Scott shoe is probably the most fake Jordan on the market in real time, like the most fake Jordan. But yeah, man, on top of having this, man, I'm super thankful. I'm going to probably do an outfit video, so y'all make sure y'all check out my reels for that. I usually don't do like outfit videos and long form content because people don't watch long form content like that. They want to see an outfit now. They're going to skip through it anyway. So y'all just be on the lookout in my reels. That's what most of my outfits and videos are shown. I'm going to go ahead and grab the other shoe out so we can see how that looks. And voila, got the left shoe right here. Right shoe right here. And I feel good, man. Dope shoe for sure. I'm not as ecstatic as I was for the Nitros, bro. I'm just gonna keep it to me. I just feel lucky that I got these for retail. I'm gonna definitely wear these. Probably gonna go straight to feet for sure. But y'all might hate me for this, but I like the y'all might hate me for this, but I like the Bike Airs better than these. Because I feel like I would wear those a lot more. Again, when you start getting into the pinks and the bright colors, bro, it's not hard to wear. It's a dope shoe, but for me, I'm still ducking to the Nitros, bro. That might be my shoe of the year for sure. But yeah, same thing, man. You got that Nike. You got the heart on this one this time. So don't know if y'all can see that, man. Lighting is so weird. I haven't did this in a while, so forgive me for the lighting. But lighting is so weird. But yeah, man, dope shoe. You got the Nike Air with the heart right there on it. These definitely, I feel like, was supposed to be for Valentine's Day, or maybe it's a love letter to say that the Travis Scott series is ending. I don't know. But before I go, people say all the time that the Air Jordan 1 Low is dead. Nobody asks for these colorways. Air Jordan 1 Low deads are cooked. I went out, I copped the Chicago's last year, and I just recently bought the Air Jordan 1 bread low. And people killed me in the comments, said, oh, nobody asked for this. Oh, this shoe is trash. Oh, I'm going to just wait for it to go on discount, which I'm not mad at that statement. But y'all lost y'all mind for a white, pink, and red and cream Travis Scott. Now, is it that you're a hype beast and you only wanted this because of the swoosh? Because it can't be that it's because it's an Air Jordan 1 low, because obviously y'all lost your mind for an Air Jordan 1 low. Y'all said Air Jordan 1 lows were trash. Y'all said that Air Jordan 1 lows are not in. Nobody asked for Air Jordan 1 lows. That's what y'all said. So are y'all hype beasts and y'all only want this? Because it's okay to only want this. Just admit that. I had a gentleman come into the store the other day that had his Travis's on. I'm like, oh, you like Jordan 1 lows? Yeah, I love all the lows. You didn't get this one? Nah, I'm cool on it. The shape is kind of weird. I'm like, huh? Like, the shape on both of these are damn near identical. And I asked him, if this came out in a Travis, would you cop? Most likely. It's okay, y'all. Just say that y'all like Travis Scott sneakers more and that you would rather have that look. It's okay. But don't you dare look me in my face and tell me that this is trash and nobody asked for this and Jordan 1 lows is dead when that is not true. That is not true. Jordan 1 lows aren't dead because those olive joints are rarely seen, at least my way. None of the stores my way have those. These came out. There aren't any big sizes left, bro, in store. There's only 8.5s, 9s, maybe a 10 max. Ain't no 11, 11.5, 10.5, 12. That's done. That's cooked, man. So I just want to know, is Jordan 1s really dead? Are they really dead? Are Jordan 1 lows really dead? Or are you just a hype beast? And it's okay to be a hype beast. It's okay to love collabs. You know what I mean? I don't even have to call you a hype beast. Do you only like collabs? Is that what it is? You only like collabs? You don't really like OGs? Like, tell me. Y'all let me know. If you had to pick, which one you going with all day? I love the Travis, but I'm definitely picking the breads all day. You know why? Because nothing to me can beat that black and red colorway or that white, red, and black colorway in the Jordan 1 low, because it's so versatile. It's so wearable with everything. This joint here, I promise you're not going to be able to wear it. I love the materials on it. I love what they do with the Travis Scotts with the reverse swoosh. But this right here, OG all day for me. Maybe I'm an old head. I'm okay with that. I can stand on that and say, hey, maybe I am Unk status. Maybe that's what it is, right? But please just stop the madness about, oh, Jordan 1 lows are dead. Nobody asked for that. Y'all need to stop lying to y'allself. It's okay to say that y'all like Air Jordan 1 lows when it's a collab. Because that Travis and Fragment collaboration, y'all went crazy. The Olives, you went crazy. The Phantoms, y'all went crazy. Canaries, y'all went crazy. OG comes out, they sit. It's okay, bro. Just keep it a bean with yourself. You ain't got a lot to kick it with me at all. You ain't got a lot to kick it. I promise you. You do not have a lot to kick it, but I want to know from y'all, man. OG or Travis? Y'all tell me, man. It's so much going on. Uh-oh, let me see if I can get this right for my thumbnail. Y'all tell me, are y'all hype beasts and y'all only like the Travis, or are you picking OG Chicago's breads, Royal Lows over this? Let me know down in the comments. And this is no shade to nobody. If you like Travis Scott shoes, that's okay. That is okay, bro. Nobody's here to like hate on you for that. But let me know down in the comments, man. Before y'all go, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that notification bell so you can stay in tune with the reviews, the on feats, the sneaker line, the sneaker news, and everything else that comes with the channel. I thank y'all for watching, man. The future belongs to those who prepare today. Till tomorrow, y'all. Peace.
Cars and them retro ace. Sold them all just to get the bank. Colorways they use as bait. Make the ball, but they don't play. We sold for them.